My channel. I have something I got the other day and I would like to show you. Well, actually 2 days ago I sprained my arm. You want to be on YouTube?
No.
Okay. I got my cousin here, but she doesn't want to be on YouTube. And then, so like, I got this thing right here. Whatever, I don't know. It's a flip-a-zoo. I don't know what this animal is right here. So, I think it's a cat, and I think this is a dog. I named it Douglas. I don't know the cat's name. I got a fidget spinner. My cousin's probably going to show hers because I took off my bands. But here it is, mine. I'm going to take it out of the case. Just 1 minute.
I need to find mine.
She's finding hers right now. Alright. Mine's the one without things, and then spins so smooth. Alright. Where's yours at? I'll just keep you satisfied. We're going to show all the spinners. How about that?
Okay.
Spinner video, I guess. This one spins so smooth. And then, are you going to be on?
I guess.
Okay, here she is.
This is mine. It's sort of like Heidi's.
I took off my band. See, these are all my bands. They're itsy bitsy. Hang on, I lost it. Okay.
Wait, are we going to show the other ones?
Yeah, it's itsy bitsy. But I still got this one. My other ones are at home. We're at my grandma's right now.
Me and my other cousin Kyle, we called this one Raindrops.
Oh wait, I forgot to show you something with these. This one right here spins the things off or whatever. But
Yeah.
then it's all...
So does this one.
Yeah, so does hers.
Yeah.
So, it's still on you.
Yeah.
Okay, we can't go out of this room because I'm not supposed to be like this right now at my grandma's because she's very...
She doesn't like us being on YouTube.
Yeah. So.
She said if I catch one of my grandchildren on YouTube, I'm going to spank their little behind.
But she doesn't speak because she yells at us and puts us in the corner. Okay, this is another thing I got.
Keep them distracted with it. While I get my other.
That's the other one I got. Okay, I'm going to get your pink one.
Oh, okay. Show
Okay.
her my black one too. Get my black one.
Alright, I'm going to show you her old one last or first. Tell me down in the comments below. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification. So this is the black one.
That's my old one.
That's her old one. But I put my bearings in it.
Yeah.
So it's cooler. And then here's her new pink one. It's glitter.
Just hit the screen.
Oops. I accidentally hit the screen. Alright, what's that one?
This is my Batman.
It says she calls her Batman, but it's not really Batman yet.
No,
And then
it's not.
it spins kind of smooth. It's a little thumpity.
Because it's two-sided and uneven.
What else did I get?
I think you got,
I got like Shopkins or whatever, but
I don't think.
I'm not a big fan of them anymore. I will do videos of them because I like them, but I'm not in love. I got bunches though. So then we're going to stay on about long, kind of. We don't want this to be short. So what else should we show? I forget. Hang on. Alright, we're back. We needed to get her jewelry. It was out of the room. Okay, I'm going to pause it again if somebody comes up.
So this is my first piece. I got this for Christmas.
Yeah.
And this one's plastic.
Yeah. So like, I hurt my arm or whatever at Bible school. I don't even know why I go there anymore.
This is my second one. There's little tiny diamonds on it.
Yeah, they're very hard to see.
They're
Focus.
really...
I hope it focused. I don't know if I focused. Alright, so like we have shut the windows and your family came in. So. Alright, what's your next one? Oh, it's my favorite.
This is my third
Gotta let it focus.
one. It's backwards hiding.
It's not wanting to focus because it's backwards.
This is my third one. Oh, man. This is real diamonds too.
She gets a lot of real stuff because it's cheap at Walmart, a little, and she gets birthday money. But she's not rich. Trust me.
No, I'm not. Oh, this is my favorite.
This is her favorite one, but I hope you guys love it.
This is
An
my anchor.
That focuses.
It's sort of focusing. This is one of my. That was one
That's
of my
her first favorite.
This one also has diamonds on it.
We will make another video in a little while outside.
Oh, okay.
She didn't expect that, but
No, I didn't.
she's never been on YouTube before, so she's not all about this.
But I have watched a lot of YouTube videos.
She loves YouTube though. Sometimes she says, I want to be on YouTube.
I do.
But now she's on it because she didn't know I had YouTube.
No, I didn't. A secret that my cousin finally told.
I kept that a secret for quite a while.
Like, what else should we talk about? Let's show them my jewelry box.
Oh, hang on. Ow. I'll show them your jewelry box.
This is my jewelry box. It says, no monkey business. It's really, really cute. And then this is the inside.
Twist it.
Okay.
Sometimes it gets annoying because she spins it at night.
I do.
Open it. Is it going to spin again? Doesn't that break it?
No.
Does it bend it? It does.
Yeah, it's a spring kind of.
It's a spring, so it bends. All right.
Ooh.
This is the last. No, I'm going to make another one in a little bit. Because we don't want to show people our great grandpa because he passed away quite a while now. We miss him.
But we should make a video.
See you next time. Bye. Wait, don't forget to like, subscribe. Once again, like, subscribe.
Turn on the notification
Turn on the notification bell and comment down below what our next video should be. Got to be a good one though, like food combines.
I love that.
Or truth or dares, and okay, but it can't be dirty. It can be maybe.
It can be a little bit,
A little.
not too much.
See you next time.